back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Lauren, and this week I'm going to be showing you how to create a bodycon dress. I love bodycon dresses, they're so flattering and they're also so easy to make and also personalised. I pretty much make them with 2 pieces of fabric unless I'm adding sleeves. Let's get to it. The main thing to consider when working with this fabric is the way that it stretches. I always have the most stretchy part of this fabric wrapping around my waist, so it will be horizontal rather than lengthways. Since I've made a few of these dresses already, I was able to use another bodycon as a template. However, you can use a t-shirt or a bodysuit to create the initial shape and then just roughly draw a slight curve down where your hips and legs would be. Then try it on and take off any extra fabric you need to by sewing again, which is pretty much how I created my first bodycon. I cut out 2 pieces of fabric on the fold in this way, and that's basically it. However, at this point you can choose to add sleeves by cutting a long piece of fabric with an S curve at the top that tapers down and then sewing them on. I decided, however, to lower the back of this dress, so I cut a half U shape on the fold. I sewed these 2 pieces together with a zigzag stitch and then did a single fold hem on the edge. Since this fabric doesn't fray, so I didn't have to do a double fold or overlock my edges, I just made sure to use a zigzag stitch. I love the print of this dress, so I'm super pleased with how it's turned out. Here are a couple other bodycon dresses that I've made so you can see some of the different styles that you could go for. I'm a big fan of this high straight neck on these dresses, as you can probably tell. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and check out some of my other videos. And with that, I'll see you next week.